Hi guys, may nag-message. Ano raw, 2 times a day lang siya kumakain. Isang lunch at isang dinner at 6. Tapos gusto niya sana 2,000 calories lang or calorie deficit. Naglalakad siya from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sample meal plan. 4 na egg white, half a cup of rice or 1 cup of rice or kamote or any fruit or vegetable, okra, 2 okra, ganyan. Yun yung meal 1. Meal 2, tuna or salmon with rice or kamote or potato or kung gusto nyo carbs. Ihaw sana, boiled, walang fried or added oil. Yun, ang per meal na yun, di siya lalagpas ng 500 calories. So, pag 2 beses ka kumain, 1,000 calories. Kung 4 na beses ka kumain, 2,000 calories. On the budget, saging saba, 5 egg white, tas 1 buong egg. Yun, paulit-ulit lang. Or chicken breast, tsaka ano pa ba mura, kamote. Yun, 4 times a day, 6 times a day, calorie deficit para pumayat.